Hello students, you all have done numbers as numbers is your very first chapter. We have lot of parts here. You all have done this in your previous class. Even then again I am explaining you that is number names. You all know number name, ones, tens, hundred and spellings of all the number names as you all know that. Then we have place value and face value. Then expanded form and short form, that is called standard form. Place value, you all know that. Face value, even then I will explain you. Then we have comparing the numbers, greater than, smaller than, is equal to. Then we have even and odd numbers, then predecessor and successor, then ordering the numbers, that is ascending order, descending order, then rounding of the numbers to the nearest 10, 100 and 1000, and then we have Roman numbers. Now kids, look at here, we have number names and numerals, means write the numerals for each of the following. 7892 means large number. You have ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. Now read the number from this side. 7892 means 2 we have in ones place, 90, 9 tens, 800, 7000 means 7892. Here these three are best friends, so put comma here. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 7892. You all know the chart, Indian number system chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So according to that you have to fill the number. Next number is 5621. 1 in ones place, 2 tens place, 600 place, 5. So comma 5621. Now 9999. 9 ones place, 9 tens, 90 tens place, 900s place and 1000 place again. We have 9 means 9999. So again write the number name. Next we have write the number names. You know, read number from this side to this side or from ones, both are same. Ones, tens, 100, 1000 means 2345. So you know the spelling of 2000. 2000, very simple. 300, 45. Take care of your spellings. Now ones, tens, 100, 1000. 8543. We have 8000, 500, then 43. So learn spellings and take it like that. If you have number names, you convert it into numerals, and then when you have numerals, you convert it into number. Now we have place value and face value. 4536. First you put the numbers on their proper places, that is ones, tens, 100, 1000. 6 ones, 3 tens, 500, 4000. Now see the difference between place value and face value. Face value means the digit, the number itself, only 1. So place value according to that. Ones, 6 into 1 means only number 6. 3 tens means 3 into 10, 30. we have 1 0 in 10, then 500, 5, then after 5 we have 2 digit 0 0, then 4000, 4 0 0 0, 4000, then place value is always a number itself, 6 3 5 4. So it is very simple to take out place value and face value of the given number. The very important thing for place value and face value is that the face value is digit itself, means only 1, and the place value, as the digit moves to the left, its value increase. Like 6 we have in ones place, then it moves to the left, means 3. 3 means 10 times of 3, then 100 times of 5, then 1000 times of 4. As the digit moves to the left, its value increase. This is the main part of place value. Very quick revision of expanded form and short form. Means if the number is 3456, how you will expand it? How? 3 is in which place? Ones, tens, 100,000. 3 into 1000 plus 4, 100 place, plus 5, tens place, plus 6. Means you have to do it like that, or 3000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 6. This is expanded form of number. First you have to see the number is in which place, means 3000. After 3 we have 3 digit, so 3 into 1000. After 4 we have 2 digit, 4 into 100. Then after 5 we have 1, 5 is in tens place. Now again 4000, it is very easy for you now, plus 500 plus 40 plus 8, again 3000 plus, now look at here, ones, tens, 100. We have 100 place, nothing, 0, plus tens place 0, plus 9. So short form or standard form. Another name of short form is standard form. So 4000 plus 600 plus 30 plus 2. Now you count it in your mind that here we have ones, tens, 100, 1000, 4632. Again we have 1000, 100, tens, 0. Ones place we have 0, then 10, then 4, then 5. So short form of this is 5410. Now again 9000 plus 0 0 0 means 100 place we have no digit, so 0 0 0 plus 90 plus 9 means ones place we have 9, then 9, then 0, then 9099. This is expanded form and this is short form. Even and odd numbers. Even numbers that have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the ones place, they are called even number. Ones place means left side first number. Then numbers that have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in the ones place are called odd number. Again you have to learn it by heart. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the ones place are even number. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in the ones place are odd number. Now look at the chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, like that. Now look at here. 1 odd number, 2 even number, 3 odd number, 4 even number, 5 odd number, 6 even number, 7 odd number, 8 even number, like that. You do it, you practice it. 9, odd number. 10, 0 is in the ones place, so even number. 1 is in the ones place, odd number. 2 is in the ones place, even number. 3 is in the ones place, odd number. 4 is in the ones place, even number. 5 is in the ones place, odd number. 6 is in the ones place, even number. So like that, it is very simple. Learn it by heart. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in the ones place are even number. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 in the ones place are odd numbers. Predecessor and successor means a number that comes just before the given number is called its predecessor. Predecessor means pre, minus 1. Given number minus 1, that number is called predecessor. Means 4341. What is the predecessor of this number? Minus 1. You have to minus 1 from the ones place. 1 minus 1, 0. The number remain same. 4340. Predecessor of this number is 4341 minus 1, a number that comes just before the given number is called its predecessor. 4340. Now, successor of this number, a number that comes just after the number, means plus 1. Plus 1. Here we have plus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Then the number is remain same. So only this procedure is here. Predecessor minus 1 from the ones place. Successor plus 1 here in the ones place. So predecessor of 4341, 4340. Successor 4342. Now predecessor of 5638 minus 1. 8 minus 1, 7. 5637. Then successor plus 1. 5639. Again 2430. Now tell me, predecessor means minus 1. 0 minus 1. So you take borrow 1 number from here. 30 minus 1, we have 29. 2429. Predecessor. Successor plus 1. 2431. Very simple. Predecessor, a number that comes just before the given number is called its predecessor. Successor, a number that comes just after the number is called its successor. Predecessor means minus 1, successor means plus 1.